Hey everyone, this is weekly recap from based on the previous outlook. So we were looking at Euro USD. So it is still the same bullish price action from weekly, monthly, 12 months. You can see in the previous outlooks, and still the same bullish impulse. So we are still acting in the same bullish impulse from the previous week. We are currently creating some pretty massive price action that is overall bearish in this pullback phase if we look only at this portion of price action, but at the same time we understand that we are mitigated the zone, and until this protected low is holding we are still bullish. But by the way, this recap. So what we discussed from the previous week, which started at August 7th. So this was the start of the previous week here. And what we discussed is that if we look at this bearish pullback, which is bearish, we might see that this move is a possible redistribution to move even lower into unmitigated zones. And if you want to be conservatively bullish, you better wait for the break of this high, which never happened. And then so the second scenario, which is currently in play, is to follow lower time frame bearishness, or wait until more price action here and wait for bullishness from this zone. But of course, if we see the continuations, it can break. So this is why you can follow this bearishness until it becomes bullishness. But overall higher is still bullish. So this small recap for EU, and in the next video I will share my outlook for the week. And the second pair I was looking at was GU, which is still the same, still holding the low, so I will address it. And also there was Euro GBP, also with the bullish outlook. However, from this week it was just really messy, and I was not even looking at it. Everything here was mitigated, so it's kind of still bullish from this impulse, and we're still looking to take these highs, but right now it's pretty like messy, you know. If you would like, you could follow this internal impulse to the bullish side, but I will not even include it in the next weekly outlook. So as a small conclusion, higher time frame biases still hold, but the delivery on lower time frames is pretty messy, and the higher time frames are not fully aligned with the middle time frames yet, if you are waiting for like the full confluence, you know, because if you want to trade bullish on this euro, then it's kind of too early right now, because the market can do this for some time. So yeah, see you in the outlook.